The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tipton County in West Tennessee, Fayette County in West Tennessee, northern Hardeman County in West Tennessee, Haywood County in West Tennessee, southwestern Madison County in West Tennessee, west central Chester County in West Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Somerville, or 15 miles east of Collierville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yum, Stanton, Brownsville, Belmont, Oakland, Uptonville, Whiteville, Laconia, Macon, Hillville, Cedar Chapel, Canadaville, Vildale, Sunnyville, Keeling, Williston, Lambert, Deanburg, Mason, and Miller. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Chester, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Madison, and Tipton.